to my channel, Anti-Aging Facial Cream. That is what I am going to be sharing with you today. I have a wonderful facial cream here. Here it is. And I really and truly don't know why I didn't try this before. This cream is gonna tighten your skin, and this cream is also gonna get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. No joke. This cream is gonna basically lift your face. It's gonna have your skin looking bright, glowing, and radiant. Now, guess what? I am using some wonderful ingredients in this that are known to help to boost the collagen production in the skin. It is loaded with a lot of antioxidants and vitamins and minerals that's going to get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines. It's going to help with your sagging skin. It is also going to brighten your skin. It's going to let you look years younger with continuous use, and it's going to leave you with just basically young, fresh, glowing skin. So if you're interested in my wonderful anti-aging facial cream that double as a facial mask and an overnight cream, continue watching this video. Our first ingredient is carrots, and these are already washed and peeled. Now, carrot is an excellent remedy for aging skin. It contains vitamin A, which is an antioxidant that helps to prevent the sign of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. Carrots help to even out an even skin tone. It also boosts collagen production and improves skin elasticity. Our second ingredient is star anise, and this is known for tightening the skin. This is really and truly gonna help with sagging skin. It's gonna get rid of all the fine lines and wrinkles, and it's gonna leave your skin real tight and firm looking. Okay, now for this recipe you're gonna need a jar for storing, and I prefer a airtight container. You're also gonna need a blender for blending. Now to prepare our carrots, we're gonna be boiling our carrots, so you're just gonna chop these, and so here we have our pot, and we're gonna put our chopped carrots in the pot. And here we have our star anise, and we're gonna use about 4, and we're gonna throw them in with our carrots. So I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of water to the carrots and anise, and next I'm gonna boil these for about 15 minutes. Now here I have 6 oils, and all of these oils are great for the aging skin. All of these 6 oils is gonna help to tighten and tone your skin. They're gonna also help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. However, for this recipe, you need to have at least 3 of these oils to use. So pick and choose. If you don't have one, do not worry. Just use whatever you have from the bunch here. Okay? So the first oil, and this one is actually a main oil, is vitamin E oil. Our second oil is vitamin A oil. Our third oil is rosehip oil, and rosehip oil is really important in this recipe. Rosehip oil helps to prevent sagging skin. It also helps to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps to leave your skin glowing. So this is one important oil along with the vitamin E oil. Our next oil is argan oil, and I hardly use argan oil on this channel because it's a little on the pricey side, but it is great for the aged skin. If you do not have argan oil, not to worry, you don't need to use this. Our next oil is avocado oil. I like to use avocado oil because it contains omega-3 fatty acid. It is also good for collagen production. It is also good for wrinkles and fine lines, and it's very, very, very moisturizing, especially if you have dry skin. So if you have avocado oil, go ahead and use it. And our final oil is the good old coconut oil. And as you know, coconut oil moisturizes the skin, it nourishes the skin, and it is great for plumping the skin up, okay? So in my recipe today, I'm going to be using the avocado oil, I'm going to use some rosehip oil, I'm going to use some vitamin E oil, and I'm also going to use my vitamin A oil, okay? Now here we have our cooked carrot and star anise, and now we're going to strain. Now here is our carrot and star anise water. We're going to set this aside to make a facial spray. And here is the carrots and the star anise. Now we're going to set this aside to cool. Once it is cooled, we're going to blend. So we are blending the star anise with the carrots also. And we're not adding any of the liquid to this. Now while blending, this is going to take a little while to blend, especially if you're using a small blender, because the star anise is a little hard. So just be patient. What I do, I tend to shake the blender because we don't have a lot in it. So I just shake the blender to make sure it's distributed and to make sure that it is blended properly, okay? Now here I have about a half a cup of our blended carrots and star anise, and now we're gonna add our oils to this. I'm adding my rosehip oil, my vitamin E oil, my avocado oil, and I'm also gonna add some vitamin A oil. Now remember, you can substitute whatever oil you have. So for my avocado oil, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil. And for our vitamin E oil, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons. Moving on to our vitamin A. I'm going to use about 4 vitamin A capsules, and these are 800 IU. Now vitamin A is very strong, so you really do not need a lot. You got to be careful with the vitamin A. Do not overuse the vitamin A. Now I'm just going to use a pin to open my vitamin A capsule. And one of these little capsules have about 4 drops. And these are the empty shells. And now we're going to mix this in. Just slowly mix it in. You can also choose to put this back in the blender. Personally, I don't like to do that because I don't like to waste it. And you know, once you put it in the blender, you're going to lose some of it, okay? So just blend. And here is our container. We're just going to spoon this in. And here it is. This is our wonderful moisturizing anti-aging facial cream. Now I'm going to show you how to use this treatment. Now here is our anti-aging facial cream, and to use this cream you can use it either day or night. Personally, I like to use it as a facial mask. If you're gonna use it at night, you need a little bit. Let's say take a little like this. You're gonna apply it to your skin, a thin layer to the skin, just a little. And you're gonna blend this out. Now you gotta be mindful that this doesn't stain your sheets, okay? So this is how you use it at night. Just blend, and as you can see, it's blending out nicely, and the smell is really wonderful. So you apply it to your entire face and you let it dry. It's gonna dry, okay? Now if you're gonna use it as a facial mask, you're gonna be a little bit more generous with it. You're gonna dig in. You're gonna take it and you're gonna apply it to your skin. Don't be afraid to go under the eyes with this. This is really good for wrinkles and fine lines. Now, after applying this to your skin, you're gonna let it sit on your skin for at least 30 minutes. Personally, for me, I like to use this on the weekend where I could apply it on my skin and I could walk around in the house with it for a couple of hours, 3 to 4 hours, okay? So then after, you're gonna rinse off. Choose the water you want to rinse with, whether warm water or cold water. And then when you're done, you're gonna apply a little bit of moisturizer to your skin. When you make this, don't make too much. Just make a week supply, especially if you're going to use it as a facial mask. However, with the added ingredients in this, you can keep it in your refrigerator for about 10 to 12 days, okay? Now here's my result. And one thing I forget to mention is that you need to start with clean skin. So wash your face like you normally do, and then you apply the treatment. If you wear it overnight, do the same. Up on the horizon in the morning, you rinse off. And then you can choose to apply your favorite moisturizer, or you could just add a little oil to your skin. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And if this was the first time watching, guess what? Look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side, there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.